Hi everybody, welcome all. Now let us talk about carbon monoxide poisoning. So what are the possible scenarios that an individual might have been poisoned with carbon monoxide? Literally, carbon monoxide is an odorless and tasteless compound that has high affinity for poisoning human beings. This carbon monoxide is a compound which has uh, high affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. The affinity of carbon monoxide for hemoglobin is 200 times. It is 200 times, it has 200 times affinity for hemoglobin when compared to oxygen. Hemoglobin means it is a pigment in the human body which is important for carrying oxygen. So when a person is being poisoned with this carbon monoxide displaces oxygen from the hemoglobin and binds the site of the oxygen. So at that time, an individual lacks oxygen. So the oxygen saturation drops and the individual may enter into mental confusion, unconsciousness, and may enter into the seizure. So it may rapidly progress to death of an individual. So in households, especially where the windows and the doors are being closed, and if you are using the charcoal, for cooking within a closed rooms, you are at risk of having this carbon monoxide poisoning. So please be careful for not to use charcoal for cooking within a closed rooms. In a rooms where the windows, the doors that is not well ventilated, don't use charcoal for cookings. So if you want to use charcoal for cooking, you can make it outdoors, or if you make it in the house or in the rooms, please open your windows, open your doors widely so that the room will be well ventilated. So take care of not being poisoned with carbon monoxide. So if an individual is being poisoned with carbon monoxide, the well-known antidote for carbon monoxide poisoning is 100% oxygen. 100% oxygen. You put the individual on 100% oxygen, then that is the available therapy, the available antidote for carbon monoxide poisoning. In healthcare setups, even in the hospitals, in emergency room, if you bring the patient who is being poisoned with carbon monoxide, what we do is just we put the patient on 100% oxygen. That's the only available antidote for carbon monoxide poisoning. So please be careful, take care of yourself for not being poisoned with carbon monoxide. Thank you for your view. Please share this video. Please subscribe. I want you to follow, you share, like, comment. Comment please if anything that I want to tell you. If you have any medical questions, if you have any questions on a medicine, okay, I can help you. I love you all.